we're going to be making the paisley top. We're going to need 2 bodices, main and liner, and then 2 ruffle pieces. We're going to go ahead and clip the shoulders of both the liner and the main, and then we're going to sew. Now we're going to take our main bodice and our liner and lay them on top of each other, right sides together, and clip the neck and sew it. Once it's sewn, we're going to go ahead and put it right sides out. And we're going to do the burrito roll method. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to lay out our bodice flat and go ahead and roll the side closest to you to the other side. And once you get to that other side, you're going to take the other sides and wrap it around that roll. And you're going to do that on both the right and left side. And what we're going to do is we're going to clip across the way and sew across that line, which I'll show you here. Let me just clip this. And now we will sew right from here to there. Now that that's done, we're going to put it right sides out, and we're going to lay out our bodice again and do it from the other side and fold that in for the burrito roll method. So I'm going to roll it, and then I'm going to take the other side and wrap it around itself, and then clip as I did last time and sew that same line. Now that we have done that, we're going to turn it back right sides out. And now we're going to take our bodice and match the front and back main and the liners together, right sides together. And then we're going to clip down the sides. Do it on the other side. And then we'll sew down both of those sides. Now that we've sewn the sides, we're going to turn it right sides out, put that to the side, and now it is time to work on our ruffle skirt. So we're going to take both of the ruffles and lay them flat out straight and put them on top of each other, right sides together. Now we're going to clip and sew down the short side. You can do both at this point. I usually just do one before I gather, and then I sew it together, but you can do it where you gather the whole thing when both sides are already sewn. But since I did it the first way, I'm going to go ahead and now, since I've gathered, do my other side. So I'm going to clip down the side and sew it as well. So we'll have a circle. Now we're going to attach our bodice to our skirt. So I like to clip the raw edges on the sides, and then we're going to take the bodice and put it inside of our skirt, right sides together. I'm going to quarter mine. So we'll have 4 clips on there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to sew it around that circle. And now they're attached. Now all we have is hemming. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it over by 1/2 inch, and then you can either lettuce hem, cover stitch, top stitch, but we're going to sew that entire bottom line. And now she's done.